Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome you guys. Thank you so much for joining me this evening. So you guys, if you want to skip past this intro and get right into the recipe, I'll leave the timestamp on the screen. But before you run off, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of doing so by pressing that subscribe button below. And remember you guys to also give this video a like, and please do share, leave your comments, because that's how YouTube knows that you like and appreciate this content, and they will continue to spread it around. Thank you guys so much for your support. So as you can see in front of me, you guys, I've got lettuce again. Now recently, I have really been enjoying putting together recipes that call for these lettuce leaves. So I will leave over here in the playlist all the videos that I have come up with and things that are soon yet to be posted, you guys. Again, absolutely loving these recipes that I'm coming up with. And tonight, I've got more of the same. So this evening, you guys, I am going to be doing a tuna wrap using this lettuce. And one of the things that I used to enjoy years ago was going to Subway and getting a tuna sub. And that tuna sub used to have the mayo and the lettuce and the tomato and the onions and these banana peppers. And then for seasoning, you guys, I used to love some black pepper and some oregano. I don't do bread these days, so tonight what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use these lettuce leaves as the wrapping. So if you wanna learn how to put this together, stay with me, and I'll show you how coming up next. All right, everyone, I am going to start by cutting up my veggies for this tuna lettuce wrap. And as I mentioned earlier, I like tomato and onions. Okay. And next, the onion. All right, and this is plenty. All right, let's set this aside. Now for the tuna, okay? I'm gonna put some mayo in this. Give it a mix. And you guys talk about a meal that is quick and simple, and it's gonna be delicious too. Not to mention low carb and keto friendly. And this is plenty of mayo for my liking. So with this, you guys, it's time to put it all together. Okay. Then I'm gonna put a little bit more mayo on my lettuce leaves. All right. And then for the tuna, and as you can see, one can works perfectly for 2 of these lettuce leaves. All right, next the onions. I'm gonna put some of these banana peppers on this after I put some black pepper and some oregano. A little bit of black pepper, give me a little bit of spice. Some oregano. Now, for these banana peppers, Oh my gosh, guys. This is bringing back such wonderful memories. Okay. Now for the tomato. And there we have it, you guys. A tuna lettuce wrap that I made my own, kind of special, you guys, by putting on the ingredients that I love. And you can do the same. And remember, you guys, to give this video a thumbs up. Please do share. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do remember to press that subscribe button below and become a part of my YouTube family. And remember, you guys, it is a great day, and you continue to make your own kind of special by putting together delicious, quick, keto-friendly, low-carb recipes such as this. And until we meet again, you guys, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you all real soon on my next Fit Fab 50. Thank you guys so much for joining me.